Hello everyone, welcome to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor and I'm here to teach you about the Pythagorean Theorem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in any equation that we have, we're going to have a formula. If you don't have a formula, then you need to ask for one because that's the simplest form of the way that you're going to solve your equation. So that's your guide. So we're going to get most of the answers out of our Springboard Geometry book, which is widely used in this community. All right, guys, so our formula for the Pythagorean theorem is going to be c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Okay, so we take the typical kite, like a diamond kite. It's the simplest kite with sides that meet at a right angle. We use the Pythagorean theorem, and the hypotenuse is always directly across from the right angle. So here's our hypotenuse, which is c squared, across from the right angle. All right, and then we have our a squared up here, which is always going to be the shortest leg, which is going to be your short number, which in this case is going to be 12 inches. So the b squared is going to be right here, which is always going to be your longest leg. So you're going to have a short leg, a long leg, and then your hypotenuse. So in this diamond kite here, you can see we have a squared, b squared, c squared, and this is going to be angle XYZ. And of course, the diamond kite has right angles in there. So let's look at the length of the legs. So your hypotenuse is c squared. Your length of legs are going to be a squared plus b squared. Of course, you know you have two sides. So it's going to be 12 with two sides, so 12 square, 35 with two sides, so 35 square. And of course, we're looking for the c squared right there. So the c with two sides is going to have c squared. Okay. So let's see here what our diamond kite has to say. It looks like we have 12 inches, so 12 squared, which is going to be your A, shortest leg. 35 inches, so 35 square, which is going to be your longest leg. And we're trying to find the hypotenuse, which is c squared. So if you do 12 times 12 plus 35 times 35, so that's 12 to the second power and 35 to the second power. I mean, kind of plain and simple. 12 squared plus 35 squared equals 1369. And that is going to equal c squared. And then you're going to take your c, because once you get the square root sign, you no longer have the squared here. So you're going to take it out of square form and put it into the square root form, and you're going to square root 1369. So therefore, c equals 37 inches. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll be back with more videos on this type of things. Thank you.